Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the preview video not playing in Adobe After Effects. Here you can see that I have a video on my timeline. When I tried to play the video, I noticed that the playhead was moving, but the video was not playing. You can try to resolve this issue in two ways. Go to Edit, then Purge, and click on All Cache. Now clear all cache files for the app. This should resolve your problem, but if it doesn't, try this second method. Go to Edit again, then Preferences, and then Audio Hardware. You will get this kind of preference box. Here, you need to change some settings. First, change the device class to MME. I only have the MME option, so I will leave it as it is, but if yours is set to ASIO, then change it to MME. Now change the default output to any other available option. The options on your computer might not be the same as mine, so just choose any one of the options. Don't worry, you can set it back later. In the pop-up, click on Yes, then OK. Now let's play the video. Bingo! It's playing perfectly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.